Team Anna has once again written to the government panel, specifically to the FM, the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, claiming that the People's Panel draft has been represented inaccurately. Let's go across to Jaguri Dhar. She's got the letter and the details that they contain. Jaguri, quite clearly, Team Anna not satisfied by the way the People's Panel draft has been circulated to the political parties.
Absolutely, Rupali. The acrimony between the civil society members and the political representatives of the joint Lokpal panel doesn't seem to end now. In a fresh salvo, the co-chairperson of the joint Lokpal panel, Shanti Bhushan, has written a letter to the chairperson and Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee complaining that the facts have not been represented accurately, and said that the recommendations made by the civil society members of the Lokpal joint draft panel has been misquoted. Now, in the letter, Shanti Bhushan mentions that he has taken objection to the fact that the recommendations made by the government and the civil society members have been put in a chart system. It has been put in a chart system with a comparatively. So this is what is to the dislike of the civil society. What they want is that the government should come out in the open and say that whatever recommendations have come out both from the civil society and the government is a part of the meetings that have undergone for the last couple of months. Remember, there have been 9 meetings so far between the civil society members and the government representatives, and we have seen how in the last week there has been bitter acrimony and disagreements on various issues. Now, also what the civil society has taken offense is to the part that Law Minister Veerappa Moily has given it out to political parties by saying the recommendations that the government representatives have made are the right ones, and the ones that have been made by the civil society, that has not been given that importance. So that is what has really annoyed the civil society members. What they are demanding at this moment from the Finance Minister, who's also the chairperson, is that they should treat them equally, and whatever steps they take in the future of distributing the recommendations should be done with the consensus of all the other members, that is